Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove line spacing from table in Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and take a table. Now we remove the line spacing from this table. We click the table and we click and draw this table line. Now we can see we removed the line spacing in this table, or you resize this table. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.